Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 Volvo V40 Cross Country 2.0 D2 Lux Auto, a stylish and versatile hatchback designed for comfort and practicality. At the front, the bold Volvo grille, sleek LED headlights, and rugged cross-country styling give it a distinctive and dynamic look. At the side, the 17-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and high ground clearance enhance its practicality and capability. Electric folding mirrors add convenience. At the rear, the LED taillights and rear parking sensors ensure easy maneuvering and a modern touch. Powered by a 2.0-liter D2 diesel engine, this Volvo delivers excellent fuel efficiency with a smooth automatic transmission. The stop-start system enhances efficiency, while cruise control ensures a relaxed driving experience. Stepping inside, experience a premium cabin with black leather seats and a high-quality infotainment system, including Bluetooth, DAB radio, and dual-zone climate control for added comfort. The rear seats offer generous space and comfort, making it an ideal choice for passengers and family journeys. A spacious cargo area provides ample room for luggage, shopping, or weekend adventures. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration ND65KVY to book a test drive or request a video tour.